Alright, last week I got my housemate Matt pretty good with the computer scare prank, which some of you may have seen. So the prank this time around, I have outside here a couple of speakers, as you can see, CD player, which I have remote, and a CD inside, which is going to play a loud, very loud car accident screeching sound. He always parks over here, so I'm going to get him when he's crossing the road as he comes home from work. Alright, here he is. A little late, but hey, he's back at least. On the phone, probably talking to his mom again. Find the remote here. Okay, it's here in 3, 2, 1.